Hello, welcome back to the channel and to Siena. This is the second video from his day out in Italy, so it's his fourth day in Italy now. So there was a video before this one, the place we went to this morning, and I forgot what name of it is. So we're going to explore Siena now, so please carry on watch the video, and I hope you enjoy looking around at Siena. I'll see you later, bye for now. So we've got a panorama of Siena before we enter the city. So this is the fortress. I don't know whether you can actually visit it or not. It's a very big fortress. It's a good steeple, that one. So this is a square, isn't it? So yeah. Yeah. Alright, I'll wait for you then. So this is the famous square where the horse races. Right, let's have a look at the square then. Yes, so when the horse races on, all the crowd stand in the middle here and the horses race around the outside. So this is where the horses all run round the track, round the square.
If I remember right, I think they're 4 abreast at least, the horses.
Yeah.
And then the riders are on the back. They've got you have to Google it, but I think there's 4 horses.
Yeah, it's quite a tight racecourse right outside though, isn't it?
Trying to get like 4 horses around that. Isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Yeah, when you like Siena, you expect it to just be flat square, but it isn't, is it? It's like dips in the middle. Yeah, I say all these flags at different regions, aren't they? Just flying. Is it coming up this way? Make sure we don't go too far and Luke's we're meeting up again. Yeah, you can see the dome of the cathedral up there, can't you? So, yeah. It's not that far to walk actually, is it?
It's dried up.
Yes, it's dried up. And we'll have a coffee in this square. Yeah, ready for a coffee now.
Yeah.
Coffee in the square, no beer. Nice one.
Ale wersja bardzo pierwsza, bo to paralel wciąż nawet Siena. Facade, se sono forse supermercati. Dipende di molto nato.
It's got an ornate ceiling inside. Oh, that's going to show up because sun's shining onto the lens. But it's very ornate. Right, we'll have a walk up to the cathedral and then it'll be time to get to meeting point. That way, yeah.
All that way. 50
Yeah.
minutes either way, it says.
It's like one's a steep way and one's a go that way. We'll go up the steep way. There we are. That's a steep hill.
That's like going up to Longcliffe Woods.
So we're in the cathedral square now. That's what you're on about, it being unfinished, weren't it? Yeah, she did tell us a reason why it were unfinished, but I can't remember. I took too much information in this morning. It's very ornate though on the front. Now that's one very ornate cathedral. So you could spend a really good full day here. There's lots to explore actually. We're just scratching surface for the time we've got here. That's one bell tower. Stunning. It's a beautiful cathedral. Haven't got time to go in. By the time we've queued up, it'll be time for meeting point. Right, so that's it from Siena. It's only a short little trip and probably a short video, but hope you've enjoyed it, and we'll leave you with the cathedral. So we'll say goodbye for now, and we'll see you in the next video, which we're just in Montesini tomorrow, so we'll probably take you a walk around Montesini tomorrow. So bye for now, don't forget to do all the YouTube stuff, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.